enough talking, let's get started. Yeah, you see I ain't too proud to pay.
Recently, a lot of customers ask me about the blonde hair, and they ask me why the other hair vendors are selling different quality blonde bundles hair. They look the same. They look the same, but when they install the hair and when they use for a few months, they will feel very big difference in the quality. Now I explain to you in this video. You see, they look the same, right? This one is better. This one better than these two. So I will show you this one. Let me comb the hair first. When I normally use the white comb to comb the brown hair. When you comb this like this it's very smooth, right? And no shedding hair, this one. Because the technology in the hair industry is very, very advanced nowadays, and they make it very good. Even you use this white comb, you cannot find the problems in the brown hair, no shedding. But no, I always tell my customers that I use the narrow comb to comb this hair. So let me start with these two first. Remember these two bundles brown hair. Okay, let's use this narrow to test the problem. This one. Okay, some, still some, and still some. Yeah, still some. Because I picked the two bundles, I picked the two blonde bundles in the market to explain to my customers, to teach them how to define the quality. Remember, this is the straight one, and now let me show you the body wave. Remember, I just used the white comb to comb the hair, and you didn't see any shedding, right? And now I use this one, the body wave. Now it's hard to go through now. Okay, I start with from the middle and bottom. Okay, still some come out, and still some come out, because the quality of the material they use in the market is different. So you already see some shedding hair, these two. Now, like I just said, this one bundle is better than these two. Now, let me test these two. I put aside these two bundles. Now this one. It's better. Not much, but no now. This one is better than these two bundles. From another factor of the raw material, I will show you what kind of material they use inside the hair. So I will let the camera to come closer to the hair bundle for the blonde. So you see, remember these two? You will see when you get close to the blonde bundle, you will see a lot of brown hair, black hair, and red hair inside. For example, these two, it has more. You check this one. More inside the bundle. You see? Because the material they use is different. You can see more right here. Still brown. You can see. I hope you can see from this video. Especially from the bottom. You see, they have a lot of material like brown, red, and different color strand inside the hair. When you get close to see strand by strand, I mean they use the percentage of the other color strand hair. It has more. This one. Although it has few little strand, it's much more pure for this bundle. When you get close, I don't see a lot. Maybe you can see just like few strands inside this bundle. But because when we bleach the hair to brown color, maybe there are still some strand of hair we haven't bleached too. But when you observe some bundle, they have more like 5%, or even 10% is verse hair. 5%, then you will see they use different material to make the price very down. But you know, it all depends on your pocket. Like I always say in the video, the customer want to pay less money, then they will just buy these two type of quality hair, but they're still happy. I just want to explain to you how to test to check the hair when you see the bundle without using the bundle from 2 points. Brush, how to brush, check the strand of hair, how to check, how much percent, like 5%, 6% or 7%. Okay, if it's only few strand, okay, no problem. But if you see like 5%, okay, this bundle it is worse, not that very good, but the price is good. And in the market, a lot of customer, they are like low income or middle income people, they are happy to buy this type of hair. So that's why a lot of customers ask me to check the market for them. So I pick randomly 2 bundles in the market and check for you. If you like these 2 hair, let me know, and I can also give you very good price. Since I don't tell you they are the best, I will not say this to my customers. I will just tell you what they are, what quality they are, and I will do the business in honest way. So we have the middle and the high, and I already taught you in the video. You get my point, learn from it, and subscribe my video. I will teach you more. See you in the next video. They look the same.